Hey traders from around the world, this is Jerremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. It is indeed Wednesday, November the 18th. Can you believe it? Incredible. So the markets today are moving higher. We kind of anticipated that. This is the ETF, the DIA, which tracks the Dow Jones. Beautiful retracement, just a few pennies away from getting filled on my limit buy on the Dow Jones. But no worries, the SPY, we did in fact get filled. Here's the SPY. A lot of traders loading up on a lot of positions recently on the spiders. So today had a nice, not today, but we had a nice retracement, a little bit of a bounce. Some of the Fed minutes release did come out, and I guess the market kind of took it bullish overall. So we didn't pull back as far as I necessarily thought we would or I wanted to. We still could. We could do this. That could happen. We also roll over more or less soon and get another bounce. I mean, all of those are possible alternatives of what I think could happen. We could also form something like this and then break out. But I'm still bullish long term, and I'm interested to see what's happening. So a lot of the traders who did get a chance to buy in on the pullback Friday and or Monday are very, very pleased overall with their performance. Let's check out some of the swing trades that we've been in recently as the real life, the real life trading team, I guess, if you will. It's not really, sounds like a football team, but it's not really a football team, even though that'd be really awesome if it was. Let me get that worksheet pulled up, and I'll just go through a few of them and check out some of these trades. So let me pull up this. This is a worksheet that our members, real life trading members, do have access to, and they are able to log in anytime and see what we're trading, what we're looking at. So let's look at some of the swing trades, since the real life stock review is really kind of swing trade worthy. And so far in November, we are up 1.79R with a win-loss of 5.8%, so it's, or 58.3%, so it's not too bad. Anyway, the trades we're in right now, GNC, we're still in GNC bearish. So here's our GNC bearish trade, and for those of you who are tracking along with GNC, they had kind of like a class action lawsuit yesterday, kind of come out. Beautiful bearish gap and go right there. Stock came down, retested, and rolled over. Now, what's cool about this trading journal worksheet, you can actually come in here and click on the actual chart and pull up the original idea. So here's the original idea from back on November the 2nd. You can see that this was 32.97 limit sell, 36.29 was the stop, and you can press this little play button, boop, and you can see exactly how that rolled over. Beautiful, beautiful little setup there on TradingView, how they allow it to do that. So it's really, really sweet. Netflix, I had a bullish swing trade set up on Netflix. If you hop over to the journal, we can see that it's actually still open. Did not trigger, so probably end up canceling that in the next 2 or 3 days, but it was a limit buy. Yesterday, I was looking at Netflix. I was almost 100% confident that it would pull back at least a little bit. 114.41 was my limit buy entry. We did pull back a little bit, but just not quite enough to buy low, sell high on Netflix on that little short-term move. Do have a lot of traders who are on Netflix. If you are, great job. That's still moving bullish. Very nicely done. We did get triggered into VMware bearish, so here is VMW, and got triggered into that today. So our bearish entry, $57.77. Here is the exponential moving averages. Exponential moving averages, you can see that we kind of came into the 10, kind of battling the 10 and the 20 a little bit, and just slightly rolling over, making some lower lows and lower highs. This was a black candle, gapped down, right? So bearish retest, gap. Here's the retest, and there's the rollover. So hopefully that plays out on VMware. Skechers today, ticker symbol SKX. This was a really, really aggressive swing trade, trying to pick the bottom on Skechers, and apparently we did pick a little bit of the bottom on Skechers. So here's our setup, and we can click on that little thing right there. And this was actually on Monday we talked about this one. So it was entitled Skechers Aggressive Bullish Swing Trade. So 25.36, stop was 24.49, and we can see how it played out on the hourly. Notice right there, about 3 or 4 cents away from getting stopped out. So great stop placement overall. Skechers did hit our trade, and we can exit that on the worksheet. So this is how that looks. So we can just go ahead and click on close. First price exit was 27.44, which is pretty much our 10 exponential moving average on the daily charts, and that was 115 shares. So really quick 2.39R trade, bringing our total up to 4.19. So that's pretty sexy. That looks nice. TTI, ticker symbol TTI. Here is another swing trade that we got in. Again, our swing trades, we do have the swing trading class actually starting about 10 minutes from 4 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. Got triggered in bullish on the swing trade on Tetra Technologies based on this gap action. So there's a nice little gap action right there. Good resistance, good volume coming in. So trying to make some money on TTI. And let's see what else is out there. Skyworks Solutions. Ticker symbol SWKS. We got embarrassed, got trailed out today of our remaining position. So we did exit 3/4 of our position down here at this support. Our last other target was 71. Didn't quite reach that, so we can update that as well on this. So 52 shares shorted, and 38 shares were exited at 75.02. So we're just going to take the remaining position, which of 14 shares, and subtract that from the entry, which was where our stop was, break even, 79.60, locking in that on Skyworks. GoPro, we did exit some of our GoPro positions today. So GoPro, our next target is $17.71. So this is the exact entry, was a close below 24.11. Our stop initially was up here. Now I've moved the stop down to 23.01 just to lock in a little bit of profit, but I'm still bearish on GoPro, believe it or not. And if it continues down, that would be, I guess, kind of cool. GLW, we're in bullish. Yahoo is hanging out, and Ruby Tuesdays, really not doing that much. Here's ticker symbol RT. Ruby Tuesday is kind of like a longer term, strong support, buy low, sell high opportunity. And of course, last but not least for today, here's Apple. Apple, a lot of traders made a lot of money today on Apple. Beautiful, beautiful bullish gap and go, right? Black candle, gapped up, clearing pivots. Phenomenal day trade. Linderman made 2.5 R's on this one today. Great job. Brian Shepard and Ray Rue got a 116 put sale expiring this Friday. That looks good. Had a big wager on Apple. Still not in the clear yet. Got a few more months for it to potentially break 105, but looking like it's okay. This was kind of just a longer term. Maybe if it breaks down into this area, I'm still okay to buy it down there. I don't think it's going to happen after today. Again, I'm kind of bullish on the markets in general, bullish on Apple. And I think at this point, from this little start rotation, I think we've been making higher highs and higher lows. I think we make a higher high and this little pull in, maybe all the way back up to 128. So a lot of traders have some covered calls expiring this Friday, and once and if those expire worthless, then we'll be able to sell some more 126, 128, 130 for December likely. So a lot of you who have shares of Apple are pretty excited about this little move today. At least I am, and pretty pumped to see what else happens. Ladies and gentlemen, so thanks so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Just a really quick reminder, there is, and we do have the Trade-A-Thon, which is all day tomorrow. Yes, you heard me right. That is tomorrow, as in Thursday. So make sure you register. It is all day from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's absolutely free. This is the link I'll make sure to include in the email and also in the YouTube video. Just put in your first name, put in your email, and reserve my seat. I actually am making an appearance. Well, not an appearance. I'm doing a presentation from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tomorrow regarding Dow theory and gaps, how Dow theory and gaps affect the stock market. So make sure to be there for that. It's going to be really exciting. And of course, to support real life trading in our endeavors and our mission to enrich lives. Ladies and gentlemen, you absolutely rock. Have a great day. I will see you later. And until next time, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. See you.